Sound the letters, say the word, then spell the word. Let's begin. Sound the letters. S, I, S, sis. Spell the word. Sis. S, I, S. Sis. Great job. Sound the letters and say the word. D, I, P. Dip. Now let's spell the word. Dip. D, I, P. Dip. Well done. Sound the letters and say the word. B, I, T. Bit. Spell the word. Bit. B, I, T. Bit. Nice work. Sound the letters and say the word. S, I, T. Sit. Spell the word. Sit. S, I, T. Sit. You are doing an amazing job. Sound the letters and say the word. W, I, N. Win. Now let's spell the word. Win. W, I, N. Win. Excellent reading. Sound the letters and say the word. F, I, G. Fig. Spell the word. Fig. F, I, G. Fig. You are doing an amazing job. Sound the letters and say the word. S, I, X. Six. Now let's spell the word. Six. S, I, X. Six. Excellent reading. Sound the letters and say the word. P, I, N. Pin. Now let's spell the word. Pin. P, I, N. Pin. Well done. Sound the letters and say the word. L, I, D. Lid. Now let's spell the word. Lid. L, I, D. Lid. Excellent reading. Sound the letters and say the word. F, I, N. Fin. Spell the word. Fin. F, I, N. Fin. Great job. Sound the letters and say the word. H, I, P. Hip. Now let's spell the word. Hip. H, I, P. Hip. You are doing an amazing job.